Being an excellent communicator goes much further than just being able to say the correct words. Your tonality, body language, vocabulary, and your presence all make up your communication expertise. Imagine you were to stand in front of me and threaten me by saying, "I am going to punch you to the floor." And I replied by just sitting there staring you in the eyes, with a death stare across my entire face, looking absolutely unfazed and saying nothing. I would make you feel something despite saying nothing. Am I still communicating with you? Absolutely. There are skills and steps you must implement to be a great communicator. Today, we're going to delve deep into my own transformative experience, providing you with concrete steps to elevate your communication prowess. Segment 1. The significance of effective communication. Let's start by understanding why effective communication is vital in our personal and professional lives. 1.1. The power of effective communication. Effective communication isn't just important, it's crucial. It influences our relationships, career, and personal growth. It empowers us to convey ideas, build connections, and resolve conflicts with clarity and impact. 1.2. Overcoming communication barriers. Effective communication transcends barriers. It breaks through language, culture, and background differences, fostering understanding and collaboration even in diverse settings. Segment 2. The transformation of my communication skills. Now, let's explore how my communication skills have evolved significantly through specific strategies. 2.1. Clarity and precision. My journey to improved communication began with clarity and precision. I learned to articulate my thoughts with accuracy, ensuring that my message was easily understood by others. One practical step you can take is to practice summarizing complex ideas into simple, clear statements. Go into Google and type book summaries. Find a book summary that is a paragraph long, read it, and condense the information into one sentence that explains everything in the paragraph. Do this enough times, and you will get great at taking complex ideas and making them into straight-to-the-point sentences. 2.2. Active listening. Another game changer was the development of active listening skills. This involved giving my full attention to the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and paraphrasing to ensure I truly understood. You can start by setting aside distractions and making a conscious effort to listen actively in your conversations. Segment 3. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Effective communication is deeply intertwined with empathy and emotional intelligence. 3.1. Understanding emotions. I found that understanding emotions, both mine and others, was pivotal. It allowed me to navigate conversations with empathy, showing genuine concern and interest. You can enhance this skill by practicing emotional self-awareness and recognizing emotions in others. I have a video on emotional intelligence. You should check it out to learn more about emotions. 3.2. Conflict resolution. Developing emotional intelligence equipped me with the tools to resolve conflicts peacefully. Instead of escalating disagreements, I learned to find common ground and seek solutions collaboratively. You can apply this by approaching conflicts as opportunities for growth and compromise. Segment 4. Strategies for elevating communication skills. Let's dive deeper into the actionable strategies that propelled my communication skills to a new level. 4.1. Lifelong learning. Lifelong learning became my foundation. I voraciously consumed books, attended workshops, and practiced communication skills regularly. You can begin by creating a learning plan that includes reading, courses, and practical exercises to improve your communication. 4.2. Seeking feedback. Seeking feedback from mentors, colleagues, and friends was transformative. Constructive criticism helped me identify areas for improvement and refine my communication style. You can start by actively seeking feedback and being open to making changes based on it. 4.3. Stepping out of my comfort zone. Transformation required stepping out of my comfort zone. This meant embracing public speaking, networking, and engaging in challenging conversations to build resilience. Begin by setting goals that stretch your communication abilities and gradually push your boundaries. You have to really push yourself to be better every single day. Go to the coffee shop and ask questions. How is your day going? What time do you finish today? Get comfortable with talking. Nothing should fear you. No one is going to punch you in the face for asking a question. Segment 5. Enhancing vocal clarity and confidence. Another crucial aspect of taking your communication skills to the next level is vocal clarity and confidence. 5.1. Speaking loudly and clearly. I discovered that speaking loudly and clearly was pivotal in ensuring my message was not just heard, but understood. By enunciating words and projecting my voice, I commanded attention and conveyed confidence. Try practicing this in front of a mirror or recording yourself to identify areas for improvement. 5.2. Eliminating filler words. The eradication of filler words like and, was a game changer. It eliminated distractions and made my speech more impactful. You can begin by consciously recognizing when you use filler words and replacing them with brief pauses to gather your thoughts. Again, I have another video on removing these from your communication. Go check it out. Segment 6. The power of listening. Twice as much. A valuable lesson in communication is the age-old adage, you have 2 ears and 1 mouth, for a reason. 6.1. Listening before speaking. I realized that truly listening before speaking allowed me to respond more thoughtfully. By giving others the opportunity to express themselves fully, I could address their concerns, build rapport, and engage in more meaningful conversations. Remember, listening is as important, if not more so, than speaking in effective communication. 6.2. Empathy through listening active. Listening fosters empathy. When you take the time to understand someone else's perspective, you can respond in a way that validates their feelings and concerns. This empathetic approach leads to more harmonious relationships and productive interactions. If you're determined to elevate your communication skills, focus on speaking loudly and clearly, eliminating filler words, and embracing the power of listening. These strategies, combined with the previous ones, will undoubtedly transform your ability to connect, influence, and succeed in both your personal and professional life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of taking your communication skills to the next level. Remember, it's a journey of continuous growth and improvement. Until next time, speak boldly, listen attentively, and communicate effectively.